Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on and off capture audio when recording a game on Windows 10. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to turn on and off capture audio when recording a game on Windows 10. First, just go to the start icon and then right click. After that, click on Settings. And then click on Gaming. After that, in the left sidebar, Captures. And then just scroll down. And then you see here, only record game audio. Now it's on. To turn it off, just click on it. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to turn how to turn on and off capture audio when recording a game on Windows 10. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.